Welcome to this video on data collection and analysis in data science. Today, we'll be exploring key concepts and techniques that are essential for any data science project. First, let's go over the outline of our presentation. We'll start by discussing the role of statistics in data science. Then, we'll cover the differences between populations and samples, followed by an overview of various sampling methods. We'll also compare observational studies and experiments. Finally, we'll look at how to perform random sampling in Python. Statistics play a crucial role in data science. They provide techniques for collecting, analyzing, and gaining insights from data. Data scientists use statistical models to predict outcomes and make data-driven decisions. Sampling methods help collect data efficiently and reduce bias. Descriptive statistics allow us to explore data through visualizations and numerical summaries. Inferential statistics enable us to draw conclusions about a population based on a sample. Understanding these techniques ensures that results are interpreted and communicated correctly. In data science, we often deal with populations and samples. A population is the entire set of individuals, items, or events of interest. A sample is a subset of the population from which data is collected. An observational unit is an individual, item, or event on which data is recorded. There are several sampling methods used in data science. Random sampling ensures that each subset of units has an equal chance of being selected. Stratified sampling divides the population into strata based on a meaningful feature, then samples from each stratum. Cluster sampling divides the population into clusters and randomly samples some clusters. Systematic sampling selects every nth unit from a randomly chosen starting point. Convenience sampling selects units that are easiest to include. Observational studies and experiments are two main ways to collect data. In an observational study, data is collected without influencing the observed data. In an experiment, treatments are assigned to units, and responses are recorded. For example, comparing fuel efficiency in cars based on driving type can be done through an observational study or an experiment. Now, let's talk about random sampling in Python. Using the pandas library, we can easily perform random sampling on a dataset. This is useful for selecting a representative sample from a larger dataset for analysis. To summarize, statistics are essential for data science projects. Understanding populations and samples is key for data collection. Various sampling methods help obtain representative data. Observational studies and experiments have distinct roles in data collection. Python provides tools for random sampling in data analysis. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.